Hey band kids, here's an assignment that we're going to be doing today. It should be super fun, and I hope you can see how much fun it's going to be in the future as we use it. It's right here. It's called Acapella, okay? And it looks like that. But first, you need to go to self-service and download it. There it is, Acapella from Pick, Play, Post. Right there, top left. Can't zoom in, but you can see it right there. You can install that. The app looks like this. You can get in, there's different features on the bottom here. There's 5 different things. I'll try to make it simple here. You can certainly look at the Discover and the Feed, where you can work with other people around the world if you'd like, or collaborate with your classmates. And then here's recent activity and your profile. Those are all fun things. But the main thing is right there in the middle. This is the Acapella project. You can hit Record New. I'm going to record a new project, and it's going to get rid of any old projects that I have, and I can just choose, for now, what I want you to do is choose maybe this box right here that has 4, but you can look at any of the different screens full of blocks that you want. Basically, we're going to create several videos. Now, this will be the interesting part, is that you today get to choose to do, I'm going to choose 15 seconds here, sorry. You get to choose to do 4 videos of yourself, or if you want to work with a partner, you could do 2 each, or you could work with 3 people and do 1, 1, 1, and somebody's going to have to do 2. Or you can get 4 people together and each pick one. So you can do this by yourself, as a pair, as a trio, or as a quartet. So you just hit plus, you hit one of the boxes, and it's going to ask you to start recording. I'm not set up with my instrument, but I might go ahead and do that. What we're going to be recording is the chorale. Chorale number 1, 2, 3, or 4. So there's a lot of choice involved here. You get to choose how many people. You get to choose which chorale you're going to do. Okay. Now I'm going to hit this tempo button down here in the bottom left, because I want to play with a metronome. It's going to make things so much easier if you have a reference tempo. I've tried this before without a metronome, and it is miserable to try to lock it together with somebody else, or even with a recording of yourself. So let's make sure we have the metronome turned on. I think a good tempo for a chorale would be somewhere between 70 and 80. If you want to go a little slower, do 70. But 70 and 80, between 70 and 80 is good. Okay. And what you want to do is turn that on. It's the selection at the top. Just for future reference, if I turn over here on the top to music, I can literally go into my music, right? Into my Apple Music, or you can find music online and start to play along with those. You can definitely find music for your instrument and start playing along with famous tunes. But for now, we want to switch back over to metronome, because we just literally want to play along with a beat. So once I've got that set, I can hit close, and it's time to hit record. So I center myself, I get my instrument in there, and I hit the big red button. It's going to recommend headphones. You're going to want to work on your setup. I have learned that plugging in headphones makes it so that you can hear the metronome, but it's not going to end up in the recording. So if you have a pair of headphones, use them. Some headphones have a microphone right on the wire. Those work pretty well too. You're just going to have to try this. If it's too loud, you might have to play softer or back up from the device. You can use your phone, you could use your iPad, you could use a laptop. They all should work. Okay, I'm going to try it without headphones for right now. And it's going to count me off, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then in my headphones, I would hear the metronome, and I would go ahead and play my notes. Play, play, play. Play, play, play. And it's going to run out after 15 seconds. You can set it for 30 seconds if you want a little more time. And then after it's done, it's going to say, would you like to continue or redo it? And if it was terrible, you can redo it. And then in my headphones, I would hear the... Okay, I'm going to close that and choose another box and record that one. Same process. You can either pass this around to different people and have them record on your same device, or once you're done, let's see if I can do it again. I must have hit the wrong button. Play, play, play. Oh, I didn't even turn the metronome on. That's my bad. Is it on? Play tempo. That's right there. Okay. So I think it's because I don't have headphones on. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Play, play, play. I'm in this box. I'm playing. It's going well. I'm playing, and it's just about done. Play, 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 play. Playing the chorale number 3. Your choice. Okay, and I'm gonna hit continue. Play, play, play. I'm in this box. I'm playing. I have to hit the check box up on the top right. That's what I did wrong. Okay, then it's going to render that video and turn it into one of the boxes. Okay, now if I'm going to do all 4, I can just hit another one and start recording. Okay, if I'm not going to record all 4 and I want to send this to somebody, then I do save and share, which is in the top right corner up here. Okay, save and share. And at this point, I can write a little message. Hey, here's my chorale, right? And then you can make it private and you can send it anywhere on the bottom here. So either through the app, right? I can send it to somebody who I know is in the app and I know their username. You can just save it to your camera roll. You can send it on Instagram. You can, probably most helpful would be email for you guys. Just email it to somebody because we're not ready to publish it. I think when you want to publish it, you can set it up on Instagram or whatever you want to do, TikTok, right? But if we hit email, it's going to render my video, just the 1 out of 4 videos, and it's going to render it and upload it, and it'll probably prepare an email for me. There we go. So now I just type in my friend's email, right? And I can send it. If you want to, you can send it to yourself. There's the link. And once you send it, you should be able to go into your email, find that email, and open up the project in Acapella. So you send it to your buddy who's the number 2 person, you send it to the number 3 person, and you send it to the number 4 person. As long as you're all using the metronome, it should turn out really good, okay? Now once you're all done, you're gonna hit camera roll and save it to your camera roll, okay? And it's gonna render it and save it to your camera roll. That should allow you then to go to Schoology, find the Acapella chorale assignment and hit submit, and you should be able to submit it right there. Okay, so here are the directions. Watch the attached video, that's this. Make these choices. Are you gonna play by yourself, with 2 people, 3 people, or 4 people? You can choose people that aren't in our class, as long as they play an instrument. Then the second choice is choose which parts you will each play, like who's gonna play soprano, who's gonna play alto, who's gonna play tenor, and who's gonna play bass. Communicate about that. And then you can choose chorale 1, chorale 2, or chorale 3, and then submit. So if anybody has any questions, you can email me. Hopefully this all works out. It's a little bit tricky, but once you do it, oh man, this is gonna be a good thing to collaborate with. We can use this forever. We can use it if we're in person, we can use it in hybrid, we can use it in EP online, and we can certainly use it distance learning because each person can play their own part. Okay, have fun with this today. You can record in class, you can try it in class, and if it's not working for you, you can save it for when you get home. But this is something that I want us to do. I can make the due date later next week. It's not really about the due date right now. This is about trying it. So try to submit something as best you can and enjoy it. Have fun with it. Have fun collaborating with other students and playing the chorales in band. If you don't know where the chorales are, just in case anybody doesn't know, we'll go down here to sheet music, warm-ups, chorales. They're right here. You pick your chorale and there's a list of 35 of them. I want you to play either 1, 2, or 3. Okay? So, best of luck with the Acapella app. It takes a little getting used to, but I think you got it.